Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best car buffers and polishers is probably one of the most important tools for any car enthusiast or detailer. These machines can transform your car's appearance, removing imperfections and bringing back that showroom shine. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of car buffers and polishers, exploring their features, benefits, and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Get ready to learn how to make your car look its absolute best. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER WP906 Orbital Car Polisher. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER WP900, a powerful car polisher. This tool is designed to give your car a professional finish. The random orbit action ensures a uniform finish, and it works fast. This feature helps to achieve a flawless look on your vehicle. The polisher features a comfortable two-handle design. This design helps reduce fatigue during use, making the job easier. With a 10-foot cord, you'll have great mobility. This allows you to move around your car with ease while polishing. It includes a foam applicator for easy wax or polish application. This makes the process simple and efficient. The package includes polishing bonnets for a high-quality finish. These bonnets help achieve a professional shine. What we like. This polisher's random orbit action ensures a uniform finish, saving you time and effort. The comfortable two-handle design reduces fatigue, allowing you to work longer. If you're looking for a reliable polisher that's easy to use and delivers great results, you should consider this one. What people say. The orbital buffing takes a beating and keeps on going. The ergonomics are great. Holding at different angles etc. moving around hard to get places and around bottom of airplanes and corners of body panels. The handles allow a firm press with two hands and much greater control over it. Number 4. AVID Power 6-inch DA Polisher for Car Detailing. This random orbital polisher is perfect for polishing and removing imperfections. It will make your vehicle shine. You can also use it for sanding wood or metal. With the 6-speed control, you can adjust the speed from 1500 to 6800 RPM. Use low speeds for waxing and buffing, medium speeds for polishing and cleaning, and high speeds for removing defects. The adjustable handle and rubberized body provide a comfortable, non-slip grip. You won't have to worry about it slipping while you work. It's designed for ease of use. This machine is easy for beginners and powerful enough for professionals. It makes detailing effortless, even if you have many cars to work on. It's a great tool for anyone. The dual-action random orbital motion ensures a swirl-free and burn-absent buffing result. It delivers better performance than ordinary polishers. This feature sets it apart. The package includes the polisher, polishing pads, a pad disc, a detachable D-handle, a spanner, a hex wrench, and a user manual. Everything you need is included. It's ready to go. Equipped with 7-inch foam pads, it ensures the 6-inch backing won't scratch your car. This design protects your car's surface. It's a safe and effective choice. What we like. The dual-action random orbital motion guarantees swirl-free results, perfect for beginners. With variable speed control, it adapts to various tasks, from waxing to polishing. If you are a car enthusiast who values a comfortable grip and non-slip control, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The buffer worked as it was advertised. The 7-inch buffers covered a lot of surface that helped speed up the buffering process. Using a mix of various speeds that the buffer allows you to adjust with ease and the various pads provided, I was absolutely blown away by how well the buffer was able to cut into the clear coat and make quick work of something that in my mind needed a new paint job. Number 3. Chemical Guys TORQX Polisher Kit. This kit has everything you need to polish paint and remove imperfections. It's the ultimate detailing solution for any vehicle. With this, you can restore clarity to headlights and clean glass surfaces. The TORQX is perfect for beginners and professionals alike. Lightweight and user-friendly, it's designed for paint correction and maintaining a showroom shine. This tool is versatile and easy to use. The 700-watt motor delivers strong and consistent results. Its ergonomic design minimizes fatigue, making it perfect for extended detailing jobs. You will be impressed by its efficiency. The TORQX handles various surfaces, including paint, metal, and glass. It's ideal for all detailing applications. The intuitive controls and durable build ensure long-term reliability. Surprise any car lover with this complete detailing system. Featuring powerful tools and premium pads, it ensures any vehicle stays flawless. This is a great gift for anyone who loves cars. What we like. This kit includes everything you need to polish and protect your vehicle. The powerful motor ensures strong and consistent results, minimizing fatigue. If you like a complete detailing system for cars, trucks, and SUVs, you should consider it. What people say. This is a great polisher buffer for anyone. The unit itself is built very well. It is a very sturdy and well-balanced machine. This kit has everything you need to make your car look clean. Number 2. ENEACRO 1200W Rotary Car Polisher. This powerful polisher features a 10-amp motor, reaching up to 3500 RPM. The heat-resistant copper wire motor ensures it won't overheat, boosting your work efficiency. Weighing only 5 pounds, it's compact and easy to store. The 6-level variable speed dial lets you adjust the speed from 1500 to 3500 RPM, perfect for various tasks. It comes with sandpapers and different sponge wheels for waxing and polishing. This rotary polisher is ideal for removing scratches from cars, furniture, and more. The ENEACRO polisher includes 2 detachable handles for your comfort. The safe switch lock lets you maintain a constant speed safely and conveniently. You'll receive the rotary polisher, backing plates, various wheels, sandpapers, handles, and more. Plus, enjoy defect-free service and quick customer support. What we like. This rotary polisher features a high-performance motor for efficient polishing. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry and store. If you have a variety of polishing tasks, from cars to furniture, this is the one for you. What people say. The buffer is lightweight and easy to handle. It has variable speed settings, which is great for different tasks. The included pads are of good quality and work well. Number 1. LDHTHOPI 1600W Rotary Buffer Polisher. This polisher features a powerful 1600W motor, designed for efficient and long-lasting use. It effortlessly removes oxidation, scratches, and stains, leaving surfaces looking their best. With 7 adjustable speeds from 1000 to 3500 RPM, this tool offers versatility. You can easily adjust it to suit different materials and applications, from delicate sanding to aggressive polishing. The polisher is designed for user comfort, offering 3 different ways to use it. Whether you prefer the direct grip, the D handle, or the side handle, it ensures maximum control during use. It comes with a variety of pads for different needs. Use the wool, orange, or black pads for tough jobs, and the yellow or red pads for enhancing shine. Green and blue pads are perfect for a flawless finish. This 7-inch buffer isn't just for cars, it's versatile. You can use it on furniture, floors, boats, marble, wood, and metal, saving you time and money. Remember to avoid excessive pressure and take breaks to prevent overheating. What we like. The powerful motor ensures efficient and durable operation. With 7 variable speeds, it offers flexibility for various tasks. If you are looking for a versatile polisher for cars, boats, and more, you should consider it. What people say. The device feels sturdy in your hand, and it performs well, emitting a nice musical hum. I used it to polish my car's paint, and the results were fantastic. The machine is powerful but easy to control, giving me a smooth and even finish without any swirl marks or streaks. One of the best features is the adjustable speed settings. I was able to use a lower setting for the initial polishing and then crank up the speed for a high-gloss finish. It provides excellent torque, allowing me to apply the right amount of pressure and polish without overworking or damaging the surface. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.